Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm comparing Shopify and BigCommerce, two popular platforms for building an online store. I'll walk you through their features, ease of use, pricing, apps, and then their overall value. So by the end of this video, you'll know which one is the right choice for your business. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial, plus the $1 per month offer. And you'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now let's get started. First off, a simple overview. Shopify and BigCommerce are both tools that let you create your own online store without needing any coding skills. They give you hosting, templates, payment options, and everything you need to sell online. Shopify focuses on being very easy to use so the beginners can set the store up quickly. BigCommerce also helps you build a store, but it includes even more advanced tools built in, which makes it great for bigger businesses that might want a little more control. Let's talk about features. Shopify gives you a simple editor so that you can design your store by dragging and dropping sections around. It also has beautiful themes, abandoned cart reminders, discount tools, and thousands of apps that you can install to add more features. This is great because you can customize your store however you want. BigCommerce, on the other hand, includes many powerful features from the start. Things like advanced SEO, more product options, real multi-currency support, and stronger tools for catalogs, for large catalogs. Those all come built in. This means that you don't have to install as many extra apps, especially if your store gets big or has a lot of products. Next up, let's discuss user experience. Shopify has always been known for being one of the easiest e-commerce platforms out there. Everything is clean, simple, and easy to understand, even if this is your very first online store. Now, BigCommerce is also modern and well-designed, but it comes with a lot more advanced settings, so it can feel a little confusing for total beginners. However, if you're planning a bigger store or you already have experience, those extra tools might be very helpful. Let's look at apps and integrations. Shopify clearly leads here because it has a huge app store with more than 8,000 apps. You can add things like reviews, upsells, drop shipping tools, print on demand, email marketing, and much, much more. BigCommerce also offers apps, but it focuses more on giving you built in tools so that you don't always need to install extra things. This can actually save you a little money in the long run. So now that we're talking about money, let's go over pricing. Shopify plans start with basic at $25 per month. Grow is $65 a month. Advanced is $399 a month. And Shopify Plus starts at $2,300 per month. BigCommerce pricing starts with standard at $39 per month, plus at $105 per month. Pro at $399 per month, and Enterprise has custom pricing. Now, which do you choose? If you're a beginner and you want something simple, clean, and easy to learn, Shopify is the best option. It's perfect for small businesses, new sellers, and really anyone who wants a smooth start. But if your business is growing fast and has a lot of products or needs more advanced tools built in, BigCommerce might be the better choice. It gives you more power without depending on so many apps. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check that link below. You get the 3-day Shopify free trial and the $1 per month offer, and then my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helps you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more just like this. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.